Hello there, my friends. So I've been on the internet trying to find a wallet to replace the one that I have. Well, I'm going to go to this website here today, and we're going to make a customized wallet. Impression last unique gifts. So there was all their information. Oh, I don't want that. I want... all right, so we want a men's trifold wallet. What the heck? All right, now we're talking personalized black bifold. No, personalized trifold wallet in choice of color. This is what I found on my phone. I'm on the PC now to record this for you all. Yeah, I had this one that I bought at Five Below, like, I don't know, 5 years ago, 6 years ago almost, and it's wearing out. And it was great because it was the Return of the Jedi scene with Vader on the throne, and Vader and Luke like crossing swords in front of the Emperor. It was so awesome, and it had a zipper pocket, and I love it. But it was made of cloth, and it's just running out. But anyway, this is really cool though. You can buy this for like $18.95 apparently, and you can personalize it. So I'm going to do that. So personalize it. First, you get to select the color. I think I'm going to go with gray. I mean, rawhide is fine. I don't think I like tan. I think gray is the way to go. And then it says here, click on the highlighted area to personalize it. So that's the highlighted area right there. Let's personalize it. So first it says you want to upload an image. And I do. So I'm going to pull avatar, my JPEG right there that I use for my YouTube channel. I want to pull that up. It says loading image. So this is going to be on my wallet. Ah, that's going to be so cool if that turns out good. Wow. All right. So and then I'm going to add some text, and I'm going to write in the text. So add text here. Well, I want to move the text. I don't want it to be right there. I can't move the text. All right, let's cancel that. Hit add text. There's got to be a way to move it, like up and down, right? New text object. Toggle visibility. No. I want to move it. Move object to the bottom. Oh no, I don't want to move that to the bottom. That stays there. The text box. Yeah, I see. I wasn't grabbing the text box. All right, so my face can be there. And here I can enter my text, which will say... we'll go at symbol Pittsburgh Pat, which is my YouTube channel name. And then that's cool. Can I resize it? Oh, that's to rotate up and down. I don't want that. Oh, frack. I think I just... Okay. So let's remove it and try again. I'm going to... Okay, add text. Enter the text. Well, let's do it. Add text. Enter the text. At Pittsburgh Pat. And that's so I'm going to enter that, and then I'm going to pull it down here like so. And then I kind of wanted to have something at the top, like, so see, I'd love to have this be smaller. So align object vertically. No, what's this say? Clone. No. Preview. Well, let's preview it. So that's what it's going to look like. I like it. we'll close that. That's pretty cool. But if I can move object to the bottom, expand, compress object. That's what I want to do. Expand, compress object. So click on the object, compress object. No. That's the text that's highlighting. I want the box to highlight. Okay. Compress object. No, it's just moving it around. Come on, guys. How do you do this? Flip vertically, flip horizontally, align object vertically, center object. Make font smaller. That's better. And then go like that. And then go like that. And now at the top, alright, I can add. Alright, so that's one. Now I want to add more text. So at the top, I can say something clever like, you're lucky I'm a paladin. And that's just exclamation point close. And that's just something that is one of my like catchphrases from playing D&D. So now, I'm sorry, I can move this to the top. I think that's clever. So if I were to lose my wallet, somebody might actually recognize me, because I often wear glasses and sometimes I wear a hat and I like to dress up. And then they could contact me at Pittsburgh Pat. This actually needs to be, I need to, yes, that's better. And then on YouTube. So at the beginning, I think I want to put the YT. So people who know YouTube will know that that's what that is. So you're lucky I'm a paladin. YT at Pittsburgh Pat. So let's preview that and see. All right, so preview right here. What I could say though is like reward, you know, like open the preview in Newtever. Download it. I'm going to download it. And then open that up and drag this over here, because that's cool. Yeah, so I'm going to buy this wallet, I think. And that's going to be my new wallet. So I'm going to add it to the cart. And then I'm not going to show you my... it says, yes, my personalization is correct. It gives you a chance to look at it again, which is really nice. Hit add to cart. Would you like to personalize another item using the submitted personalization as a template? Why not? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Now I could put this on. Oh, I see. So let's go back to product. I think what that wanted me to do is. I thought it meant, can I use that design on something else that they sell? But that doesn't seem to be the case. That seems to be, it wants me to design another logo for the same product. So I'm going to go back. Where's my cart? Checkout. Lasting impressions, processing time. Yeah, it takes time. I understand. It takes time to do things. Let's look at my cart items. Okay, that's what's in my cart. All right, so let's go to, let's see what else they sell. Corporate gifts, drinkware. No, I don't want that. What, they don't sell t-shirts? That's crazy. Tools and knives. What? Promotional products. I gotta look at that. I don't know why. This is crazy. Customized like tools. Oh, battery bank, power bank. That's pretty cool. Let's look at promotional items. By product category. Well, it's a promotional products. Oh yeah. Oh, I see. So if you have a company and you want to like, but a lot of stuff to do with alcohol. That's kind of strange. Looks like money clips. $10 for a money clip. Those are pretty cool, man. I don't know. This is pretty neat. All right, so that's enough. I have my wallet, so I'm going to go to my cart, and I'm going to proceed to checkout, and yeah, and I'm done. So I hope you guys have a great day. I'm not going to put my personal information in here, but if you like, you could subscribe to my channel. That'd be fantastic. Pittsburgh Pat on YouTube, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you do personalize something, maybe download the preview and show it to me. That'd be cool, and tell me all about it. If this helped you, smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.